People think you need a $30,000 glass house to grow rare plants. They are wrong. Look at this. This is my green plant factory. It holds over 300 plants, maintains 80% humidity, and survived a crazy year of weather. And the best part? The entire setup, the greenhouse, the shade cloth, everything, cost me less than $200. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build this budget beast. First, the kit itself. You can find this on Amazon for around $100. Many people say these are trash. They say it will fly away in the wind or the plastic will rip. And honestly, they are right. The kit by itself is weak. But with the remaining $100, we are going to upgrade this cheap tent into a fortress. Here is my secret recipe. Upgrade number 1, reinforcement. This frame is lightweight. If you don't anchor it properly, it will fly away. So I bought these heavy-duty U-shaped steel piles to lock the frame to the ground. See? It's rock solid. It even withstood 50-mile winds. But here is a pro tip. If you live in an extremely windy area, I highly recommend digging a trench and burying the bottom frame. That adds another layer of security. Upgrade number 2, the shade cloth. This is mandatory. But here is the pro tip. Install it inside, not outside. If you put it outside, the wind will rip it apart in a month. Inside, it stays secure and lasts for years. It mimics the rainforest canopy and keeps your plants from burning. Upgrade number 3, the floor. I am lucky to have a brick floor here, which is easy to clean. But if you are building on dirt or grass, you must use a weed control mat. If you don't, weeds will take over, and worse, your pot roots will escape and dig into the ground, making them impossible to move later. Save yourself the nightmare. Get the mat. I left the link below. But what about the temperature? No heaters, no air conditioners. In summer, 104 degrees Fahrenheit on 40 degrees Celsius, I open both doors for airflow and spray water on the floor. Evaporation works like magic. In winter, 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius, I seal everything and stop watering to harden the plants. They didn't just survive, they thrived. So, is it worth it? For a total of $200, I created a space that generates thousands in profit. The ROI is insane. I left links to the $100 kit, the shade cloth, and the weed mat in the description. Stop making excuses. Build your factory today. Thanks for watching. Green Gold.